So let me tell you, today Goa branch of WIRC of ICA, I'm representing the Goa branch as a chairman of Goa branch. We come under the Institute of Chartered Accountants, New Delhi. New Delhi is stepping into, or rather celebrating its 75th anniversary, and Goa branch is also celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. And as usual, we always have these training programs for all our CAs. Monthly programs, we have at least 2 or 3 monthly short programs, and this is a bigger event with what we have every year. It's called a sub-regional conference. It is organized by the WIRC and we host it. Now in this, what we do is we call all the chartered accountants, not only from Goa but across the other states, neighboring states like Maharashtra, Karnataka. They come here and we arrange various topics for them to upskill themselves. So CAs are practicing in the field of income tax, taxation, and we have also taken up some topics like the introduction of AI in our work. Now that is very important. Again, there is a topic which what we are covering is a startup. How the CAs can contribute to the Indian economy by helping setting up a startup. So they should have the knowledge to assist somebody who comes to us and says he wants to start a startup. So we want to upskill our members to deal with such situations and create more entrepreneurs and help the economy. In this event, we had invited a chief guest as Suresh Prabhuji, who is also a chartered accountant by profession, and he is ex-union minister. He has held so many, more than 10 portfolios. And it was our pleasure to have him as a chief guest. He gave us a lot of talk, and his wisdom is very important. He has told us the CAs should not only think about doing their own daily work of income tax and auditing. He's also told us that the Goa branch should take initiative to work for the full Goan community as a whole. He was keen upon in saying that we should think about conducting a survey of carrying capacity of Goa, because Goa is now being overcrowded and the resources are not enough to help the development which is happening in Goa. So that is why he thinks, according to Chief Guest Suresh Prabhuji, he thinks CA should take up these aspects of the society also, so that all the people give them more respect. Although we are getting very good respect, once we are working for the society, we will be more respected as according to him, and we accept that.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.